Hey, what's up everybody, Sonic is here back in the video. Today I'm teaching how you guys can get the charge shotgun. So first, you need to go build all the way to the border. And when you go to the border, you have to go back and get the charge. Any charges you guys want. And you guys go back. And later on in the video, it will show you what I did. So now you get a grappler, your friend gets a grappler and goes all the way back. And now you get a grappler. And now you get a grappler, just grapple all over there. Now what I do, I just put a marker down, and then now I'm just building what I need to do just to do the glitch. So now you just want to go inside the robot or the mechs and then get out, go to the one jump, and then switch and press X, and you should start going. Now you should start getting the charge shotguns, anyone you like. So then now you go back to your island. Sorry for the background noises. Now when you go back to your island, you just put item spawner, and then you just put them in there and customize it. Now I'll just show you guys I got it. Hope you guys enjoy the free build. Hope you guys like and subscribe, and goodbye.